Thanks for coming by to my channel. This is Kim Can't Stop Crafting, and I'm Kim, and I am a design team member for Country Craft Creations, and I have a new design team package to share with you. So you can see that it is a more masculine collection by Echo Park. It's called Gone Fishing, and I'll go through all of the papers with you and show you what types of things that you can get with this collection. First of all, I do want to remind you that you can get a medium weight chipboard from Country Craft Creations that are 12 by 12. They always have a really smooth edge. Sometimes I've had some and purchased elsewhere where they were really frayed and not nice and smooth. So that's something to consider when you are making your order to pick up some chipboard. She has it in other sizes too, but the 12 by 12 is really handy. So I will go ahead and start with the most exciting part, what I think anyway, and that is the actual collection. This is the 12 by 12. Like I said, it is by Carta Bella. I think I said that anyway. So this is our cover sheet here, or the there's always things that you might be able to do with some of these patterns on the front, so don't throw it away. You might be able to use it somehow. But one of the things that I really love about this paper is the texture to this paper. So I think you'll love it when you get a hold of it. So here we have the first one. These are reels. And on the other side, we have a real rich, kind of a burgundy brown. And there's little subtle hooks in black on this side. This is called Reel It In, this piece right here. Look how cute those are. I don't know really anything about fishing, but I'm pretty sure those are reels. So gotta love the cut aparts. This one is called Journaling Cards. Imagine that. So we just have different ones because this is a 12 by 12 sheet. They are 4 inches long and 3 inches wide. So you get 12 of them on here. 4 times 3, yep. So life is better fishing. Carpe diem does not mean fish of the day. The river's calling, fishing hole, and then there's some journaling spots here. This is going to be a great collection for Father's Day. It could be for a male birthday. It could be for a graduation. It could be for retirement. There's a variety of things you could use it for. I'm going to be making something prior to Father's Day, so that's what I will aim toward. And on this side, you have a real steel blue color, and you have some little fish as the background pattern. I love this plaid. There is a solid line, but then every once in a while you have a broken line. And then this real pretty yellow gold color. This is called Castaway Plaid, this piece. So if you order individual sheets, that'll kind of help you know which ones to order. You can also get the collection pack, but that's really a nice looking paper. So now we have our fishing rods. And really you could use the paper this way or this way probably. And then on the other side, this is a plaid, but it's a real deep, I'd say forest green. And then there's just a real subtle, I hope you can see that, a real subtle plaid to it. And this is called Gone Fishing Poles. So these are a little bit bigger. These are 4 by 4s. That's really cute. This is good for journaling in the center or for a picture. Hook, line, and sinker. May the fish be with you. The best days are spent fishing. Forever wishing that I was fishing down here. And then again, we have a blue with a darker navy, different shapes of fish. And this one is the 4 by 4 journaling card sheet. Oh, I love this. The baubles, is that what you call it? No, bobbers. You can tell I don't fish. And then this real nice stripe kind of makes my eyes a little crazy right now, but this is called Big Catch Bobbers. That'll be good with a busier pattern. I like, let's see if I have one. These two look really rich together. These two look good together. So anyway, there's bobbers. Then we have some fish that are in different colors. The ones on the back of the other ones have been more of a monotone. And then we have some fishing lures and some bobbers subtly in the background. This is called Freshwater Fish. I know my son's he likes to go fishing. It calms him down and likes to kind of be out there, and good time to think, I guess. So here we have some different size pieces that you can cut apart. Fish Camp, the state of Montana, like a fishing license, the stamp, bait, the worms and the prices. And then again, we have some fish. These are the multi-journaling cards. I love the texture of this paper. So now we have little, they look like 1x1 squares. Let me just double check though. Nope, I was wrong. About 1 and, really they're about 1 7/8 by about 1 1/8. That's the measurements of the little rectangles. And then they have the name of the item inside. Pond Skimmer, a Kate McLaren, I don't even know what that is. Bob's Bobber, that's my dad's name. And then on this side, there is a wood grain, but again, it's really subtle. This is a beautiful color green. I don't know if you can see the wood grain, it's so awesome. And this is called Bait and Tackle. We have some vintage advertisements and a real pretty stripe on the back. These are great colors. This is called Fly Shop Ad. I love that creamy buttery yellow. And surprise, this is called 4x6 journaling cards. Canoe rentals, that's cute. This is like a postcard. And then again, that real gold and yellow, real pretty color in a plaid type fashion. Got to have a canoe or kayak. I don't know which one. No, these are canoes. And then a blue stripe. This is called On the Water Canoes. Adorable. And you get a sticker sheet if you purchase that collection. So that's always nice. I love it when they have banner pieces. I love to use banners, border strips. You can put these on the a piece of your chipboard and make it a real a dimensional decoration. You can turn it into tags. So there's that. Now when you get the 12x12, you could also get the 6x6 collection. There is a difference in the texture of the papers. So the 6x6 is more of a smooth finish. So let me, where's my cutter? So I would think that these would be pretty much the same, only the scale is different, but sometimes in some collections they have more choices, but I'm not thinking that this is one of them. So just the same. Take that off so it doesn't get stuck. Yeah, these are all going to be the same, just on a smaller scale. Okay, and when you order the 6x6, you get 24 sheets, and they're all double-sided. There is a coordinating solids paper pack where you get one of, I think it's 6 pieces, and they have different colors on the front and the back. So this is kind of a good guide as to what will be in here. I could take them out probably and show you. I'll do it quick. And this is the texture also. So that all the 12x12 is. So you have a red and a light blue on this one. They call it red. I'd call it more of a burgundy, but then we have another one like that. Then we have this real pretty blue and golden yellow. They call it blue and yellow, imagine that. And there's 2 of those. And green and black. You can tell a better difference when you see them together like that. So that's your coordinating cardstock that you can get to match. Coordinating solids paper pack. And I love it. I love ephemera because it's already pre-cut, and I'm not really a fussy cut girl. So when I can get ephemera, I'm all for it. So let's take out a couple of these in varying sizes. Let's see, does it say how many pieces? 33 pieces in this. Let's see if this one's the same. Yep, 33 in both of these. So I'll just kind of quickly lay some out. I love sayings, so I like them when they have words on them. Got a frame, some circles here, tickets, tags. Like I said, different sizes. This is good for journaling. And then you have banner pieces, fish. Okay, so there's an idea of what those look like. Now let's take a look at the other package and see how those are different. Put these on top of this and put them away later. And this one is frames and tags, and this one was called ephemera. So this is frames and tags that we're looking at now. Ticket pieces or tags, little ones. Hook, line, and sinker. Castaway. Keeping it real, that's cute. All right, so that's the frames and tags. So you can get this collection at countrycraftcreations.com, and I'll have the links down below so it's easier for you to find the collections. So don't wait too long. You don't want them to be sold out. That's cute, and sometimes it's hard to find Father's Day paper or more of a masculine looking paper. So head on over, and I will have a free tutorial on here of an album that you can come back and record the measurements and watch how it's put together and work right along with me. Let me just kind of organize this, and then I'll lay out everything again as a final look. I remember when I was little, my grandpa took us fishing, but I didn't like it because I had to put the worm on. I was like, oh, forget about it. I'm not doing that. All right, so then we've got that. The coordinating solids. The 6x6. The collection has a sticker sheet, and then your 12x12 sheets. All right, thanks for watching. And again, come back and subscribe and hit the bell, and then you'll know when to come watch my channel for tutorials. All right, everybody, have a good night, and go order some Country Craft Creations paper.